Fighter jets are the epitome of human ingenuity and technological advancement. These marvels of engineering have revolutionized warfare, allowing nations to project power and dominance from the skies with unmatched precision and speed. But have you ever wondered how these powerful machines are brought to life? What goes on behind the closed doors of military factories? Join us as we unveil the secrets of fighter jet manufacturing, taking you on a journey from the drawing board to the battlefield. The process begins with advanced computer-aided design and manufacturing techniques. Highly skilled engineers and technicians work in state-of-the-art facilities where every component is meticulously designed and tested. The use of cutting-edge software allows for the creation of complex three-dimensional models, ensuring that every aspect of the fighter jet is optimized for performance and functionality. These digital mock-ups undergo rigorous testing, allowing engineers to identify and rectify any potential issues before moving on to the next stage. With the blueprints finalized, it's time to gather the raw materials. Fighter jets are typically constructed from a combination of aluminum, titanium, and carbon fiber composites. These materials are chosen for their lightweight yet durable properties, which are crucial for high-performance aircraft. Skilled technicians receive the raw materials and begin the intricate process of cutting, shaping, and assembling the various components. Precision is paramount as each piece must fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. Advanced machinery such as laser cutters, CNC machines, and robotics are employed to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Quality control measures are implemented at every step to guarantee that the components meet the required specifications. As the individual parts come together, the skeleton of the fighter jet starts to take shape. This includes the construction of the fuselage, wings, and tail sections. The fuselage, or body of the aircraft, is where the pilot and other crew members sit. It's designed to withstand the immense forces generated during flight while providing a stable platform for the jet's various systems. The wings are crucial for lift and maneuverability, and their construction involves complex aerodynamics and structural engineering. The tail sections, including the vertical stabilizer and rudder, are responsible for controlling the aircraft's pitch and yaw movements. Each of these components is assembled with precision, ensuring that they are securely attached and ready to withstand the rigors of combat. With the airframe complete, it's time to equip the fighter jet with its powerful engines. These engines are the heart of the aircraft, providing the thrust necessary for supersonic speeds and rapid acceleration. The process of installing the engines involves complex mechanical procedures, including the integration of the power plant, fuel system, and the exhaust. Technicians and engineers work in close coordination to ensure that the engines are mounted correctly and securely, as any misalignment could have catastrophic consequences. Once the engines are in place, extensive testing is conducted to ensure that they function flawlessly, producing the power needed to propel the fighter jet through the skies. The final assembly of the fighter jet involves the integration of various sophisticated systems, including the electrical wiring, hydraulic lines, and avionics. This intricate process requires highly skilled technicians who can navigate the aircraft's complex systems and ensure that every connection is secure and accurate. The cockpit is equipped with advanced instruments and displays, providing the pilot with all the necessary information for flight and combat. The addition of weaponry, such as guided missiles and laser-guided bombs, transforms the fighter jet into a formidable force on the battlefield. These weapons are integrated with precision, ensuring that they can be deployed effectively and accurately. As the assembly nears completion, the fighter jet is subjected to rigorous testing and quality control measures. This includes static and dynamic testing of the engines, as well as flight tests to evaluate the aircraft's performance, handling, and systems. Any defects or malfunctions identified during testing are rectified immediately, ensuring that the fighter jet is in perfect condition before it's delivered. And there you have it, the culmination of countless hours of design, engineering, and assembly. The modern fighter jet, a testament to human ingenuity and precision manufacturing, is now ready for its next mission, defending the skies and protecting the nation. Thank you for joining us on this journey behind the scenes of fighter jet manufacturing. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the intricate process that brings these aerial marvels to life. If you're a fan of technology, engineering, and all things aviation, please don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.